Hi, it's me again with Corel Doll Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this, and they're having trouble putting a contour line, a cut line, around this. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to lock our yellow. And the reason we have yellow is so you can see it. And if you can see, even when you click on the line, it's going right through the center of that, and that might be part of the problem. We're going to go F12 and move the line to the outside. Now when we click on it, the nodes are on the outside. Let's try this. Go to Effects, Contour. Contour to the outside with square corners. And there you go. That's your problem. You had your line set on where the position of the little outline is on the outside of the line. You need it where the inside of the outline, if that makes sense. I mean, you can go right to the middle and see your nodes. Your nodes are in the middle, the nodes are on the inside, the nodes are on the outside. So when you're contouring, you had it there and it was just contouring around the inside of the line. That's one of the things with the line. A lot of times it doesn't really matter where the line is, but that way you can put a cut line around that line. I hope that answered the question, and thank you for watching.